We break things and tear down. So we are playing tear down today, guys. So we are gonna go in sandbox. And we're actually gonna go here. I've never been here. Yeah, I got mods, by the way. If you're wondering why my voice sounds weird, I have like a virus cold, so don't go near me in IRL. You don't know what I look like, but whatever. Still don't. We're gonna be building a rocket ship. Hold on, wait. We're gonna go to a place that I have a rocket ship built in. That place. Okay, I'm going there right now. Okay. Quick load. And we're loaded in. Why do I have my high-tech drone? I need rocket booster. Place one there. Quick save. And ignite. Game doesn't like it, but I don't care because I'm going to the moon, baby. Nope, I'm going to the ground. Oh. Strange. So I'm gonna go to sandbox. I'm gonna go here. We're gonna test out these things. Like, what even is this? What even is this? What even is this? Oh, it's a machine gun. Okay. Huh? Oh, it's Minecraft blocks. Yeah, we Minecrafty, dog. Well, that's a tall Minecraft block. Tall. That's a big stack of nitrobustering. I wonder what that means. I'm just gonna shoot the top of it. Oh, smoke. Okay, so up we go. Oh, it's not like Minecraft. Okay. Let's check out the pipe bomb. Oh, it's just something like that. Oh, okay. And the rocket launcher, I don't know what that is. Oh my god. Yeah, I know what it is. Gun. Okay, it's just a gun. What is the plank? Oh yeah, it's like a plank of wood or something, I think. Oh, 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 oh. 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 Okay, so. Dumb ways to die right here, y'all. Dumb ways to die. Okay, so wait a second. So I'm gonna make a a boat. It's a boat. It's a boat. What does the cable even do? Does it like connect things? Oh, that's what it does. It can, okay. That's useful. I'm gonna take the plank, put it there. Take the plank, put it there. Now I'm gonna take cable, connect cable, connect cable, connect cable, and finally connect cable. And then I'm gonna hit, I'm gonna switch that part. That was stupid. Diving board. More like diving board. Is that a dumpster? Or mate, I could so turn this into a rocket ship. Oh mate, come on. Wait a second. Why don't I just do this? Oh, dumb ways to kill a city. Alright, y'all, that's gonna be it for today's video. Bye bye.